Namaskar students. In the last class, we have learned about different input devices like keyboard and its different keys, mouse and uses of its different buttons and scroll wheel, scanner and uses of scanner. In this class, we will learn about more input devices. Do you know the name of this input device? Yes? Yes, this is joystick. And do you know what is the use of joystick? Joystick, I hope you all have used this device. This device is used to play games. Whenever you want to play video games, that time you have used this type of device. So, joystick is basically used for playing games. And with the help of this device, you can move the items on the screen. Here, I am just want to tell you more about this, that this device is used for playing games, and with the help of this you can move any item on the screen. It means whenever you will use the joystick, it will be easy for you to play games with the help of joystick, and you can move the object left, right, top, bottom with the help of joystick easily. It means it is used to give the movement to the item which is on the screen. Now, I am coming to the second one. Here you can see that one screen is here or one pad is here, and on that pad you can see the pen. This pen is known as light pen. This is also a input device. What is the use of this light pen? This light pen is used to write anything on this special pad, and with the help of this pad you can see all the things on the monitor. It means whatever you will write on this special pad, that information will be displayed on the monitor. And you can see here that this pen looks like a simple pen, and here near this you can see that this is the place where we can keep our pen safely, and on this screen you can write anything whatever you want to write, and whatever you will write here, it will be displayed on the monitor screen. So, as I told you that the light pen looks like a simple pen, and it needs a special pad for working. It means if you are not having the special pad, that time this pen will not work. On a simple pad, this pen will not work. And as I told you that whatever you will write on its pad, it will be visible on monitor. So if you want to make any changes in that text, you can make those changes easily with the help of keyboard, because that information will be displayed on the monitor. Now here you can see this input device. Can you tell me the name of this input device? Have you ever seen this device? This device is known as microphone. What is the use of microphone? Microphone is basically used for recording. It means with the help of microphone, you can record your voice and different sounds in the computer, and you can save that sound in a computer for future use. And whenever you want to talk to your relatives, that time also it will very helpful for you. And if you want to talk with your friends through the internet. That time also it will used. So here you can see that with the help of microphone you can talk to your friends, and it is like a mic, and whatever you will speak it will be clearly listened by the person with whom you are talking. And this microphone is having one wire or connector. With the help of that wire you can connect it with the computer. Now I am coming to the next input device. Can you tell me the name of this input device? Nowadays everybody is using the mobile phone, and everybody is having, the most of the person are having the touchpad mobile phone. Similarly, this is the monitor which is touch screen. So, what is the use of this touch screen monitor? With the help of this touch screen monitor, you can select the object by directly touching with fingers without using any pointing device. It means you have no need to use the mouse. Without mouse, you can open any application or any software, or you can move any object anywhere, because the computer screen which you are using here, it is sensitive to touch. And in the daily life you have seen different touch screen devices like tablets, ATMs, mobile phones. So I hope you all will be able to understand about input devices which we have learned in the last class and in this class. In the last class we have learned about keyboard, mouse, scanner, and in this class we have learned about joystick, light pen, microphone and touch screen. So just revise all the input devices